Hi kitties, welcome back. The check. Yeah.
Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up. Bitch, I mean your shit. Bitch.
I can take it. I can take it.
You really thought she was gonna come for me, didn't you? Really thought. Welcome back, kitties. Enjoy the show.
I hit this.
Cheers, bitch.
Waiting for.
Woo! Oh, you wanna go again?
Notice that I want it. With the touch dancing in the dark. Let go of everything.
Tough bitch. I need a chaser.
Boy, stop.
So we're back. We're back, kitties. Wanted to talk to you guys because like the last couple of years have just been so traumatic. You know what I mean? Yeah. 2022 is really coming for me already. And, you know, I just had to let you guys know what was going on because I might not make it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Sidetrack. The new year started off great for me. You know, I did, some positivity. Like bitch. Or whatever. Sidetrack. My first week of 2022, I had to drive up to PA. Isn't that quinky-dink? Like, it's just, I'm torn. Sidetracked. I'm like driving and it just starts to snow. And I'm just like, okay. I'm on a 2-road highway. Okay. I'm almost right next to an SUV, a larger one. Because mine's a cute mini. She's adorable. She's small, compact, she's fast, she's lovely. Sidetracked. Homeboy started to lose control, and so I swerved, and I started to lose control of my vehicle. And I'm heading towards the ramp, and I'm like, suburb. And so I dodged the railing, and next thing you know, bitch, I'm sideways on the highway. Like, I'm gay, but like, dang. There's another car coming. Swerved again to dodge this other car, and I'm spinning. And I'm spinning. And I'm just like, okay, swerve, try to fix it, you know? And next thing you know, I'm like, okay. Now I'm heading towards the ditch. And I'm coming up on the thing. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna flip over. No, don't flip over, don't flip over. So I'm like, trying to get like, not like, yeah. The car is still moving. Like, I'm here. And like, past here, past this part, like, it was like, I don't know, some shit down there. I don't know. So I'm like right there and I'm just like shocked. And so I'm like, okay, check. Just back your car out. So I back it up, get back on the tarmac, and I'm just like, I let go of the wheel and I am shaking. And next thing you know, I am just bawling my eyes out. I cried every ounce of water that I had in my body in that hour that I was sitting there. Yeah, I'm traumatized. Oh my God. Sidetracked. Oh my God, I almost died. I almost like did not live any longer and like I wanted to call. But I didn't. And then I was like, oh, let me call my mom. And I was like, no, if I call my mom, she's gonna freak out and she's gonna make me worse. So I called the bestie, I called Diana, and she brought me down. And so I kept driving. I end up in traffic and I'm sitting in traffic for like the longest time. And then I was like, let me get off the highway. And like all I see is just cars, and like literally on the other side there was like no traffic. It was really weird. I'm on the back roads for like a good hour, and then I see a sign for 95, so I jump on that and I'm driving, and it's just weird. The sun is starting to set and I'm going through all this traffic, and it stopped. Like the traffic was there because like there were so many cars, just tractors that jackknives, and then just cars just sitting stuck in the snow. Like all I was seeing on the road was just car accidents, just people in ditches and people trying to help them, and it was just like police was out there and everything. It was very like, oh my god, like I felt like I was in that movie. What was that movie? It wasn't even that movie. The Day After Tomorrow. Like I really thought like, bitch is gonna freeze to death. Sidetracked. So I get to my final destination. Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. Final destination. Not here, honey, not yet. Sidetracked. Like it was just bad. And then like I find out that like people were on that highway where I got off and were there like overnight. Like people were stuck there overnight. It was so weird. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, bitch, 2022 is trying to take you out. Like why? Like what the f did I do? Like I'm just like traumatized. Oh my god.
Just keep breathing. Just keep breathing. Just keep breathing. I keep on breathing. Just keep breathing. No, I keep on breathing.
Week 2 was trying to take me out with another mini storm. It was so bad. I had to like literally like go back up to the same area on the same highway. I'm just like, really? 2022? Like you're really trying to just mate, like come on, that's just rude. Y'all know me like that. And then week 3 like was no better, and like I lost like time off. Was not fun. And I locked myself out of my office and my building. Like it was just like, really? Like really? And then this week I've been doing nothing but like thinking as to like what I did. Like what did I do? And then I realized what I did.
Boy, stop.
It's about to be a girl fight.
Is it me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
Kiddies, I am litty. Litty, feeling pretty. 2022 is really like trying to take me out. I am surviving and thriving, and I think I figured out why. It has to do with New Year's. Well, I was trying to celebrate her, everything that went down on New Year's. Spent a lot of time just talking about how I almost died. How 2022 almost took a bitch out. She came for me. Like she really tried it. I might have done something. And if you want to know what that something is, be sure to click the little like button down below. And since you're in that general area, be sure to click that subscribe button. And since you're there, might as well just ring that little bell so you know when I come back with this tea. You might want to be there and let me know in the comments what you think it is. With all that being said, kitties, smooches, bitches. Mwah. Bye. Mwah.